Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic power conditions, so press the power button once and watch the LED. That single check tells you if the unit has charge versus no response. Next, connect the original charger or a reliable 5V/1A USB source because weak adapters mislead you. While plugged in, try a forced reboot. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. This clears minor firmware hangs. Once done, make sure the LED behavior changed before moving to deeper diagnostics. Now you move into more involved steps. Perform the factory reset or specific reset combination for your SoundLink model, commonly power plus a volume key, because that can fix firmware lockups. If the unit still won't power, leave it on charge for 30 to 60 minutes. Deeply discharged lithium batteries need time to register. While charging, inspect the charging port and test another outlet and cable to rule out external faults. Once these steps run, you'll know if hardware service is required. Finish by isolating the battery. If you can source a known good battery or borrow a unit, swap to confirm a dead cell. If the LED now shows patterns or colors, note the blink code because those patterns map to specific errors and speed up repair. Do not pry open the speaker unless you have the tools and experience. Doing so can void warranty. If things still fail, contact Bose or an authorized repair center. This is the safest path for battery or board faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.